Hey, gearheads and adventure seekers. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling a machine that promises to deliver it all, the Honda Talon 1000R-4 Fox Live Valve. The R means wide, long travel, high-speed desert fun. The -4 means 4 seats. And the Fox Live Valve. That's where the magic happens. The big question isn't if this thing can perform. It's, can it be the ultimate family fun rig and still bring the full throttle sport performance the Talon is famous for? Let's dive in. First up, the heart of the beast. You've got Honda's renowned 999 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled parallel twin engine. Now, Honda doesn't officially publish horsepower numbers, but let's just say it delivers plenty of quick revving power and torque to get 4 adults up to speed in a hurry. But the real secret weapon here isn't the engine, it's the transmission. This is where Honda stands apart from the competition, the 6-speed automatic dual-clutch transmission, DCT. Forget the rubber band feel of a CVT. The DCT gives you true gear-driven connection, instant, crisp shifts, and phenomenal engine braking for those steep descents. Family mode, just put it in drive. The transmission manages shifts smoothly, keeping the RPMs low for a comfortable, less frenetic ride. Sport mode, punch the sport button, or take control with the paddle shifters, and you unleash the full fury. It holds gears longer, shifts are quicker, and you feel every ounce of that engine's power. It's a genuine sports car experience, just dirtier. The name of this machine tells you the most important story, Fox Live Valve. This isn't just a set of fancy shocks, it's an intelligent, semi-active suspension system that adjusts the damping for each shock independently, and in real time, 200 times per second, to be precise. The Talon 1000R-4 is the wide-track, long-travel model, built for eating up open terrain and soaking up the whoops. Width, at 68.1 inches wide, it offers superior high-speed stability compared to the narrower X models. Travel, you get a massive 17.7 inches of front travel and an even crazier 20.1 inches of rear travel. What does the live valve system do with all that? For the family, in normal suspension mode, the system gives you a supremely plush, comfortable ride. It absorbs the small chatter and reduces body roll when cornering, so your passengers aren't getting tossed around like salad. For the thrill, switch it to sport suspension mode, and the shocks firm up to ride higher in their travel. This gives you maximum resistance to bottoming out, and allows you to smash whoops at full throttle without punishment. The Talon 1000R-4 truly gives you the best of both worlds. It can be a comfortable family cruiser 1 minute and a desert racer the next. The whole point of the -4 is to share the adventure, and Honda's nailed the details for the crew. Stadium seating. The rear passengers are positioned slightly higher than the front, giving them a much better view of the trail. No more staring at the back of the front seats. Protection and storage. Full coverage hard doors are standard, helping to keep mud and trail debris outside, and they even include small storage compartments and secure cup holders. Honda reliability. Finally, it's a Honda. That legendary reliability and the fact that there are no drive belts to break or replace give you peace of mind, whether you're taking the kids out for a sunset cruise or tackling a multi-day backcountry overlanding trip. The Honda Talon 1000R-4 Fox Live Valve is the ultimate compromise for the side-by-side enthusiast who refuses to compromise. If your weekend itinerary includes blasting through wide-open terrain at speed and bringing the family along for a comfortable adventure, this machine is purpose-built for you. The DCT gives you the performance and durability no belt-driven machine can match, and the live valve suspension is the technological bridge that seamlessly connects full-throttle sport driving with all-day family comfort. It's got the power for the speed demon and the refinement for the family man. It's the 4-seater that doesn't feel domesticated. So, tell us what you think. Are you a full-throttle fiend, a casual cruiser, or something in between? Drop a comment below.